How to upload video on YouTube from mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can upload video on YouTube from mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to upload videos on YouTube right from your mobile phone, it's actually quite very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube app. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and as you can see I'm logged into my channel, so you want to make sure that you have the correct channel over here. Now let's say you want to post something to your channel. What you have to do is right at the bottom center you'll find the plus icon there, so you have to make sure to tap this little plus icon, and here you can see create a short, upload a video, go live, or create a post. So since in this case we're learning to upload a video, we will tap the upload video option. If the video is under 15 minutes, if the video is under 60 seconds, then that is going to be converted into a short automatically. But if it is longer than that, you can choose to upload it as a regular video. So you can go ahead and select certain videos that you like. You can tap the next option. You can choose to upload this as a short or whatever else you prefer. You can edit, you can add some filters, tap the next option, and also make sure to go ahead and add other options and details and descriptions. After that, you can tap the upload button over here. As you can see, my video was under 1 minute, so it got converted into a short and it says upload short. If your video is over 1 minute, it will be converted as a regular video. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.